Hi. Today we're going to practice the last letter of the alphabet. This is called the letter Z, and we're going to learn the sound that it can represent as well. So an uppercase Z looks like this. It has a horizontal line, a line that goes across. It has that diagonal line, and then it has another line going across. So when we write it, it looks like this. Across, diagonal down, across. Let's try it with our finger now. Across, diagonal down, across. That's a Z. And a lowercase z is just shorter than that. It's the same movements with our pencil. We just make it a little shorter. So we go across, diagonal down, across. This is the letter Z. When we make it with our bodies, this is cool. So you have to go on your knees. You kind of have to lean back so that your torso, that between your knees and your hips and your shoulders, that part is the diagonal. And then your arms are the across part at the top. It's pretty cool. Can you make that with your body? Here is the sound for the letter Z, the sound that Z represents. So I noticed that this person's teeth are a little bit together. Do you see that? Z. So you kind of have to smile, like make your cheeks kind of big and go Z. So you're just pushing air out. Z. I notice that my tongue is right behind my teeth when I do it too. Z. You try. Z. All right, so now we can see some words that start with Z, that start with a Z sound. So we have, do you know this animal? Try saying it. It's a zebra. This is a zipper. This is a number. Do you know this number? It starts with Z. It starts with Z, 0. A scary, or kind of, this picture is kind of silly, a zombie. And then this shape is called a zigzag. That one has a double Z. Zigzag. Do you hear it twice? When I say the word, or the letter Z, the word for the letter Z, I kind of start out with the Z sound. Do you hear it? Z. That connection helps me. Maybe it'll help you too. So here's our card. We say Z, zebra, Z. Z, zebra, Z. Let me hear you. All right, so now we have our sign language. This one is a little bit different because we move our finger in the shape of a Z. So you're holding up your pointing finger, like you're holding up a number 1 perhaps, and you have to make the zigzag. Remember, so we go over, diagonal, over. That's how you make a Z. It's got those 3 different movements. You can try it too, even without the sounds. That's the letter Z in sign language. And we're all finished. You can identify the letter Z and the sound it represents, which is Z. Keep practicing, and I'll see you soon.